friends, welcome back to my channel. Pooja here, and today I'm going to make a nice decorative side table with this Dollar Tree planter. This is really beautiful and sturdy. So I grabbed 4 of them, and we can also use it as a floor vase. I hope you guys like the video. So here I have 4 Dollar Tree planters. We don't need 4, we just need 2 for this project. But here I want to show you different ways to utilize these Dollar Tree planters. So the first one is where we'll attach the bottom and we can use it as side table, which I'll be explaining later in the video, or use it as planters in this way or as vase by filling it with some pebbles and keeping some fake plants in it. The second way is to glue the mouth of 2 planters and keep the third one at the top. So in this way we can use it as a floor vase and it's really gonna look nice. To make it even bigger, we can keep it on the 4th planter, and you can see it's huge now. Only if you want. And use it as a side table or a planter, whatever you like. Now let's get into our project. Attach 2 planters together with any strong glue. Here I'll be using E6000 glue, and let it dry for at least 5 to 6 hours. Here I'm also using some hot glue for a quick bond. It's been 6 hours and it's properly attached. So now this is an old chopping board which I don't use anymore, so I'm going to use it to make my tabletop. So this sheet is from Dollar Tree. Adhesive it is. I also have marble adhesive sheet which I got from Walmart for $4. You can use any of these, whatever you have. I decided to use the marble sheet to cover the chopping board nicely, and here I'm doing it. It's very easy. The sheet has marking at the back, so it makes it even better to cut and wrap. Make sure there's no air bubble in between. I'm using scale and my hands to remove the air trapped. Wrap it nicely, making sure the corners and the edges are sharp. You can see how I'm doing it. Here I'm using scale to make it sharp, and I'm done. It looks pretty good now. Now here I'll be using this turquoise washi tape which I got from Walmart. You can use any Dollar Tree washi tape which goes well with the marble sheet and with the pink Dollar Tree planters. Now here I'm using washi tape on all the 4 sides of the chopping board. All the 4 sides are done now. I'm also using same washi tape around the pink planters for a contrast and also to make stripes all over the planters. It's just a design to make it colorful, so if you want, you can do it. Initially, I made only 2 stripes with this washi tape, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, but later on I did 2 more, both at the top and bottom planter. I also covered the back of the chopping board with waste paper. It's optional. Now here I'm making a mark to glue the planter on the chopping board with hot glue and E6000 glue. You can use whatever glue you have. Let it dry for 4 to 5 hours. It's done now. I'll be using these Dollar Tree gemstones to decorate it. I'm gluing the gemstones in the middle, right where the planters are joined. I'm going to glue them also on the sides of the chopping board. In the middle, I'm using this hexagon gemstone which I had. It's not necessary to use. You can also use 2 different color of gemstones like the way I used dark blue gemstones at the corner. I also have this dark blue tape which again I'm going to use on the planters to make it colorful. I'm just trying to make 2 different kind of stripes to make it more colorful, and it's very easy to do it with tape and hot glue. I'll also glue these Dollar Tree green plastic beads around the center part. Here I'm almost done and my decorative side table is ready. If you want a round tabletop, you can also use Dollar Tree silver plastic plate at the top and decorate it with mirror in the center and silver plastic beads just like this. So just glue $1 mirror in the center and beads around it. Also decorate the planters with silver plastic beads instead of the washi tape. This is just another way of making it if you want round table top. It just popped in my head and I shared. Well, here's the final look of our decorative table. You can also use it to keep your magazines, coasters, remote near your coffee table. Also, you can use to keep decors or your favorite showpieces along with candles to quirk up your house. I think it looks really gorgeous and colorful. What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope you liked the video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.